Before I start this video, I want to know, are you team fall off the bone ribs or not fall off the bone? Let me know.
So our ribs are going to be a little wet. Just pat them down. A little bit of that moisture off. Keep that here, might need it later. Flip it over to this side. And there's going to be a membrane right here. And you want to take this membrane off. Just super tough, hard to eat. You don't want to eat it. So, generally, just take a fork. Just try to get it under here like this, as much as you can. Like this. Get it through the other side. Get it through here. This is the membrane. Just pull up like this. Okay, we don't want to eat this. Super tough, hard to chew. No point in it being there. So just take that off and repeat it with this side as well. Blah, 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 like that. Now we're gonna take some mustard. It's our binder. It's gonna help the seasoning stick. You won't taste the mustard at all. It's just here to act as a binder and help the seasoning stick. Just rub it all over the ribs. And we're gonna get both sides as well. There we're using my seasoning, Mars Dust. It's an all-purpose barbecue seasoning. Very, very good. Put this on just about anything. Just give it a nice little lather on the back. You don't need a ton on the back, but of course you want to get seasoning on both sides. Pat that in a bit. This side as well. Now we flip over the meat side. The important side, as we should say. More mustard. Just all over. Give it a nice little rub, no tug. Now's where we use a little more seasoning. Nice and generous coating. More on the other side. This already smells amazing and it hasn't even started cooking. Okay, now we're just gonna let this sit out and absorb the seasonings for about 30 minutes and then we're gonna put them on the smoker. They are looking perfect. Oh yeah. Traeger's at 275, so we're throwing our ribs on. We're gonna cook these meat side up for about 2 hours. Halfway through, we'll check it. If it's looking dry, then we'll spritz it with some apple cider vinegar and Worcestershire. So, see you in an hour. We're about an hour in. Kind of some shitty lighting, but whatever. Starting to look a little more on the dry side, so we're just gonna give it a little spritz of some apple cider vinegar and Worcestershire. Just 50-50 apple cider vinegar and Worcestershire. Just spray it down a little bit. Continue on the cook. Now it's time to wrap, so we're going to take our ribs off. Oh yeah. Looking very good. I'm just going to spritz them one more time. Just like that. Now we're going to take our little slices of butter right here. We're going to place them down like this. I'm just going to do 3 and 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Like that. Make sure there's no wrapper on the butter. Drizzle that honey all along there. Go meat side down so the meat can soak in all of this deliciousness. Just like that. And then we're gonna wrap it up. Try to wrap it as tight as you can without ripping the foil. Beautiful. Just repeat the process. Meat side down. 2 more hours. Internal temps around 200, target internal temps around 205-ish. So we're just gonna take it off and sauce them. Sauce. This is the bone side. We're gonna do the meat side as well. Oh yeah, look at that. It's like a bird. Alright. Just the meat side now. And we're gonna keep it open. We're not gonna wrap again. But now it's just gonna stay open. Get nice and tacky from that sauce. Just a little more sauce on the meat side now. And you don't want to paint it too hard because seasonings can fall off. So just kind of blot it if you can. But sometimes you just gotta paint it. It's all good. Just blot, blot, blot. Feeling like Mark Zuckerberg. Sweet baby rice. Sweet baby rice. Oh yeah. Back to the Traeger. Don't need to wrap it this time. Just let that sauce get nice and tacky. Go just like you.
And the moment we've all been waiting for, here's the final product, just the perfectly cooked rib. It's not too chewy, not too fall off the bone, just kind of that even middle ground, and that sauce was perfectly tacked up. Pair it with your favorite sides and enjoy. If you want some more videos like this, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you.